In front of me is NUBIA, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. As all of your downloaded files in one place, you don't need to download any app, but you need to find one that's already on it. This one called File Manager. So find it, and when you're ready, launch it. Then select Category at the bottom left corner and tap on Downloads available here right next to Favorites. Then tap on Downloads again. And as you can see, all of my downloaded files are over here. To open one, click on it. And to manage one, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!